Hello kids, welcome to Yamo Kids TV. Yellow color fan, happy face, smiling, learn some colors. First, red color, yellow color, orange color, sky blue color, blue color, lavender color, green color, pink color. Okay kids, shark coloring, baby shark coloring. First, sky blue color, pencil coloring, shark coloring, sky blue and pink color. Pink, white and red, red color. Which color? Red color. Then sky blue, sky blue color. Super coloring sky blue, sky blue color. Then sky blue pencil coloring, sky blue pencil coloring, sky blue color, super coloring. Which color kids? Sky blue, sky blue coloring. First, sky blue, then dark blue, sky blue coloring and dark blue mixing. Super coloring, slowly color, baby shark coloring. Which shark? Baby shark coloring, baby shark. Color song, ABC song. Okay, finish sky blue, then dark blue outline, light sky blue shade, then dark blue pencil coloring, dark blue pencil coloring, dark blue super coloring, dark blue super. Finish the coloring. Super. Okay kids, please subscribe my channel kids. Please subscribe and share. Bye.